Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm sharing another healthy, yummy, spicy millet drink. But this time around, no sugar added and no milk added. So let's get started. Here I have some millet which I already cleaned, washed and soaked overnight. I've soaked this for about 15 hours. The next thing I'll do is to take it to the kitchen, pour out the water and rinse it a few more times. So here I have the millet ready. I soaked about 3.5 cups of millet. We call it here derica. I used 1 derica of millet. So after soaking, I have about 4.5 cups of millet here now. And these are the spices I'll be using. I have different peppers here and the clove. And then I'll also be adding ginger. Here I have my ginger. Then to sweeten this, I'll be using dates. I'm using 1 cup of dates, which are already de-seeded, remove the seed and also soaked to soften it. You can see how soft it's looking. I will also be adding it some coconut. In the original recipe for this millet drink, you have sugar and the evaporated milk or condensed milk. But the coconut here will be serving as our milk, while the dates will be serving as our sugar. So we're not going to be adding any white sugar or evaporated milk or condensed milk here. Now let's get started with preparing our millet drink. And this is very easy. All you need to do is to add everything into the blender and blend with enough water. And then we sieve it. That's all. Keep watching and please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm trying to share them into two because everything cannot enter into the blender at once. So I'll be blending this about 2 times. But if your blender can take all at once, you don't need to share this. Just mix everything there and then blend. You can also use commercial grinder or blender for this if you don't have a strong blender, especially for the coconut. After blending, I'll add it more water so that I can use it and squeeze the milk very well. I'll then pour it into my chiffon cloth. You can use your nutmeg bag or even sieve for this. I'll also add the remaining millet and the ingredients into the blender and blend the same way. I'll then go ahead and squeeze out the milk until I'm sure I've squeezed out all the milk in the blended millet. You can also add more water to it, to the chaff, and squeeze it again. And here I have my millet drink. I'm stirring this very well because it can stick to the bottom. You know it has starch. So if you don't stir it, it's going to stick to the bottom. Yummy. This is so yummy, so delicious, so refreshing. And the pepper came out in this one. And then I'll transfer the milk or the drink into my cans. You can also sell this. You can make this for sale, but we're going to be consuming this in the house. So you can refrigerate this. I'll leave it in my refrigerator. And if you're going to leave this for more than 1 day, you now store it in the freezer. All you need to do when you want to drink it is put it in the water to defrost, and then you enjoy your drink. And to enjoy this immediately, add some ice cubes into your cup or your traditional bowl for drinking this millet. And then pour your drink and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you did, click the like button. Give us a thumbs up. Please, we need it for this video to grow. I'm begging you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.